Exceed 3 inches in less than 2 hours may see flash flooding. Despite recent dryness, this is a potent heavy rain scenario and could lead to flash. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Baltimore County and northern Maryland until 5:15 p.m. At 2:12 p.m., Doppler radar indicated heavy rain across the area. Up to 1 inch of rain has already fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 inch are possible. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that may experience flooding include Hampton, Kearney, Lochraven, and Udall Wood. Floodwaters are moving down Mine Bank Run. The gauge at Glen Arm has reached a flood stage of 8 feet. A flash flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. If you are in the warned area, move to higher ground immediately. Residents living along streams and creeks should take immediate precautions to protect life and property. Do not attempt to cross swiftly flowing waters or waters of unknown depth by foot or by automobile. The National Weather Service